smoked out lamb kebabs on charcoal grill. Easy, simple 11 ingredient recipe which you can make in your backyard. This is outdoor recipe. The prep is in the kitchen. We will prep the lamb kebab, we will marinate it, we will put it at least for a couple hours. We will be cooking these lamb kebabs just for 10 minutes on the charcoal grill, and we will be having delicious lamb kebabs.
Hungry is delicious.
My name is Mair, you're watching Mair Hungry YouTube channel. Let's make delicious smoked out on the charcoal grill lamb kebabs. For the lamb kebabs, this is boneless lamb leg. You can get it from Costco. You can get it from Restaurant Depot. Let's take it out from the packet, give it a quick rinse from fresh water. So, look at this. This is 5 pounds of the boneless lamb leg. We have rinsed it. It's a whole big block of the meat. We'll make beautiful cubes out of it. Cut it from the center. Look at the fat content on top. You can make it more skinny, just like this. They will cook faster. This is the cube size we need. Keep the fat. Three pounds of the lamb leg meat has been cubed out. I'm keeping this. We'll be making some stew out of it later on. Look at these cubes. Let's season our lamb kebabs. Crushed cumin, 1 tablespoon. Crushed coriander, half tablespoon. Black pepper, 1/4 tablespoon. Salt, half tablespoon. We will use Meat Tenderizer for this. 1 tablespoon of the Meat Tenderizer. Do add it, it will be a magic. Dry spices are done. Let's make the liquid marinade now. So take white onion, or you can use red onion. Just use 1/4 of it. 1 fresh jalapeno. 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. Squeeze lemon juice. Let's squeeze it right here. So half of the lemon juice is fine for it. 1 baking cup of the oil. You can use any oil, use olive oil, but use oil. That's what it is. I'm just eyeballing it, but you can do the whole measure. Here you go. Let's blend this. So here is the liquid marinade. It goes on top. This is how smoky lamb kebab marinade should look like. It has dry ingredients and it has wet ingredients. Do the magic, mix it up. So this piece, this lamb meat will be like this. What a fine, fresh looking smoky lamb marinade is this. Put it in your fridge at least for 1 hour so all the seasoning kicks into the meat. This is the smoky lamb marinated. Let's add this. Welcome to my outdoor kitchen setup. We have a charcoal grill which is going on. Charcoals are ready. Here is our delicious lamb kebabs. See, it's been almost 2 hours. Smoky flavored lamb kebab marinade. So here you go. We'll grab the skewers and put the meat in the skewers. Easy thing to do, right? Put the meat flatter like this. So one skewer will have 5 to 6 cubes of the lamb. Just put the meat right here, right on top.
The fire burned out. The warmth has gone away.
3 beautiful skewers of lamb Wow, look at this. This is what I'm talking about. Maximum time on the charcoal is 8 minutes. They're gonna get roasted on the coals with the smoky flavor.
And you'll miss my love. The fire burned out.
Perfectly charred. It's been almost 6 minutes and delicious smoky lamb kebabs are completely ready.
Oh, darling, it's fading slow and deep. I'll keep on moving forward, but I'll cry myself.
Let's do the taste test. Look at this, so tender, I was telling you, and here it is. Lamb kebab, yum. And oh my god, no. So yummy. Oh my god. And it melts in your mouth. Make this yummy recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. This is yummalicious lamb kebabs you can make in couple hours. Do outdoor, it's summertime, kids will like it, family gonna like it. And I'll see you on the next one. Don't worry about the finger, it's popping from the glove. But make these lamb kebab, serve it with naan breads or serve it just like this. Have some fruits or you can just eat this by itself. It's super yummy and healthy and juicy. Look at the juices dripping. Subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and bye for now.